Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Sennheiser e835S. This is a vocal microphone, which is like that microphone. A very close friend of mine who's a musician recommended me to go with this mic over the pop mic. I wanted to go with the pop mic, but unfortunately the pop mic is out of stock. So it kind of sucks right there. But he convinced me and I went with this instead. So I'm really happy to try it out to see if I like it or not. I used to have a Blue Yeti Nano, and it's been giving me issues out the butt. Always it kind of adjusts the gain automatically. I even disable a few settings on the Windows recording devices, and it still does it no matter what. So I just gave up on that and just went back with XLR with the audio interface. And pretty much I got a new mic stand as well that has an XLR built-in cable with it as well. I am gonna make a video of my system because it's gonna be my last water cooling build, because there are other things I need to prioritize in life. Again, I do want to make another thing as well into this announcement, is that I'm starting college in the fall, so I want to be 110% focused on my college than worry about doing maintenance on my water cooling. Plus, you know, the cooler I have right here, which I'll show you at the end of this video, what cooler I went with, which I'm deciding to go with. So let's get back to this unboxing. So let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, the mic itself. Ooh, nice. Heavy's a motherfucker. Ooh, this thing looks nice. Of course, it has a switch. Oh, so I can have this like a new switch, which is awesome. Let's put that to the side. And also has its own mic stand you can put in, which is awesome. User guide and all that stuff, and it also has a nice decent size pouch to put your mic over here if you want to go on the go as well, which is awesome. So also there's more information at the box as well. So let's put that box toward the side. And pretty much the cooler I went with for my CPU, it is this bad boy. It is the Be Quiet Dark Route Pro. Really excited to go with this cooler. I cannot wait to put it into my system. So this is going to be my new CPU cooler. If anything, I see that it heats up, I can add a third fan to the rear. I am not going to unbox this yet because, again, I'm not ready for it yet, because I have other things to do after this. So I'm making this a short video as best I can. So till then, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, comment, subscribe. Please be safe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye. Even though it's crazy what's going on in this world. Ay, ay, ay.